we'll have to download my repository, github.com/kevasync. Will take you here. And you can navigate into repositories, AWS Denver CloudFormation Meetup. As well, if you go about halfway down, you've got this SSH command here. So just copying and pasting. We'll do that, and then we will need a proper, so you'll want to keep that EC2-user at portion of that input, and then go and grab your public DNS name.
So hold on, we replace the DNS name?
Yeah, so you're going to want to keep EC2-user at, and then the public DNS name.
Okay.
Yeah, cool. And so at that point, it will prompt you to say, are you sure you want to connect to this box? We're going to say, yeah, it's my favorite EC2 instance, and cool. And so we are now into the EC2 instance. So at this point, let's go ahead and look at standing up a web server, or a Vue.js website, and we'll serve it up using NPM or Node.js. So we must first go ahead and install some software for the operating system, MySQL and Git. We'll go ahead and do that first. And so you can copy and paste this from the repo. It's also in the slide deck. So sudo yum install MySQL space Git. So once that's completed, we're going to go ahead and pull down the installs for Node.js. So again, this is all out in the repo in the README. I'm going to go ahead and install Node.js now that I have the source for it. It's going to ask me to confirm again and again. Okay. And so at this point, we have Node, MySQL client, and Git installed on the EC2 instance. And so at this point, I'm going to go ahead and pull down a starter Vue.js website, build it, install its Node dependencies, and start serving it up. And so with that being the case, you can grab these 6 commands from the README in the clone and start Vue.js starter site. And this will take a sec as it's doing an npm install for all the packages on the Vue.js starter site. Okay, so after the commands to clone, build, install packages, and serve up the site, you should get a little dialog that says serving. So at this point, back into the EC2 instance. If you grab that public DNS for the EC2 instance, go to port 8080, we have a website, and it gives you a high five. So at this point, the EC2 instance is a real boy, and it's got a web server running on it on port 8080, and it's just serving up the Vue.js starter.